enforcement of fundamental rights is judiciary's responsibility, and for the constitutional courts, I've been there for 10 years, but I felt that primary responsibility under the oath of a judge and a high court was the protection of the Constitution and enforcement of fundamental rights. Besides dispute resolution, hearing cases in appeal in 199 jurisdiction, which is under cloud. That is meant primarily for enforcement of fundamental right, and the fundamental right is that every citizen has to be treated in accordance with it. The judicial decisions are not normally in conflict with the desire of power centers of the courts, law, and even the Constitution. I must say that even the executive of developed countries like USA, it is being considered to amend the Constitution to fix the retirement age of Supreme Court judges, and that also because the decision recently they have given is not in accordance with the desires of the power center or the executive. Pakistan is not an exception. Rather, and again, it can be made viral. I think that now American politicians are learning from the practices in Pakistan. In Pakistan, Parliament is of the opinion, now this is the dilemma which we are facing. In Pakistan, Parliament is of the opinion that judiciary rewrites the Constitution in the name of interpretation, whereas the judiciary thinks that Parliament cannot make a legislation in conflict with the constitutional provision as interpreted by the judiciary. In this tug of war, there is a lot of debate and deliberation to amend the Constitution. Parliament is claiming itself as supreme, which can amend the Constitution with 2/3 majority, even without debate in the legislative assemblies. Judiciary is standing for implementation of the decision. The Constitution, which is